Evacuation Order, Level 4. Code Red. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services, the California Department of Public Safety, the California State Department of Homeland Security, and the California Department of Emergency Preparedness. This is an immediate evacuation order for Los Angeles, San Bernardino, Ventura, and Orange counties, due to unknown severe thunderstorm anomalies, such as severe weather behavior, disputed lightning, the rising of temperature reaching over 150 degrees, and the surrounding environments, which were all connected to the anomaly. All residents in Los Angeles, San Bernardino, Ventura, and Orange counties must evacuate immediately. Have essentials such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, phones, chargers, and a flashlight in case of a power outage would occur. Have important documents, contacts, any identification, money, gas, and others. Make sure you have enough space for family members or friends in a car or any type of transportation. If any lightning strikes hit you in any way, please dial 911 immediately and state your situation. Do not attempt to pick up children, family members or friends from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes, as they follow their own evacuation procedures. Make sure all windows and doors are locked. Make sure to keep informed through radio,